Hi, and welcome back to the kitchen with me, Chef D. Today I'm going to show you how to make some wonderful coconut bars. We are definitely moving into the spring season, and these are going to go great. So let's go over our ingredients and we'll get right into it. I have some all-purpose flour, some melted butter, some brown sugar, sweet and condensed milk, some coconut flakes that are sweetened. It's actually shredded coconut. I have some salt, 3 eggs, vanilla, and some brown sugar. So the first thing that we're going to do is work on the crust. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to take your 2 cups of flour. You're going to mix it with your brown sugar, salt, and your 1 cup of melted butter. So you're going to mix everything together until it forms a crust. That looks great. It's actually going to look more like cookie dough once it's completed. So I'm going to use a pan that's lined with parchment, and you want to make sure that your parchment hangs outside of the pan. It's going to make it easier for you to get your coconut bars out when it's completely done. So you can use a 9 by 13 inch pan for this recipe, or you can use 2 8 by 8 pans, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use 2. So just divide your dough in half. And you're going to press it into the bottom of your pan. So as you can see, I'm using my hand to press the dough in to the bottom, and just make sure you get a nice, smooth, and even consistency. This is what it's going to look like once you are complete. So let's do the other pan. Okay, so now that your crust is prepped and pressed into your pan, you're going to put it in your 350 degree oven. You're going to lower the temperature down to about 320 degrees, and you're going to bake it until it's golden brown, about 15 minutes. So now that we're waiting on the crust to finish, let's make our filling. So the first thing you're going to do is put your eggs in a bowl with your vanilla. We're going to beat those eggs. Next, we're going to add in our butter. Next, you're going to add in the sweetened condensed milk. And then you're going to fold in your dry ingredients. So the flour, the brown sugar, and 3 cups of coconut flakes. So our crusts are out of the oven. They look great, so you're going to let them cool completely before you add on your filling. And you're going to add your filling on. Of course, I'm going to separate mine in 2. And you're going to spread it out just to make sure it covers every piece of the crust. Once you have it nice and spread over your whole pan, you're going to bake it again in the oven, still at 325 for about 25 minutes until it's set. Okay, that one looks great. Let's go ahead and add on some of our fresh coconut. And this is what you're looking for to get it ready to put into the oven. That looks awesome. Okay, so I have just taken our coconut bars out of the oven. They look wonderful. You're going to put them on a wire rack, let them cool, cut them up. I know that you're going to enjoy this recipe, and I can't wait for you to come down and visit me at the Delightful Rue School of Cooking inside of the Southern Food and Beverage Museum.